You know what? I'm going to let the green team talk about it. Go ahead, green team.
It's awesome.
1% on my account on Hot Stock Pick VIP, baby.
Thank you.
Extremely.
Account this morning.
I gotta add it up, but I just made a bundle.
Yeah, Christina's made thousands. We have
Christina.
another gentleman who's made thousands, right? I've made, 700 pre-market, but about 300 of it was just from this VIP launch.
Made a couple $100.
Couple $100. Anybody else make money? 125% now on BDTX.
953, coach.
There you go, $953 this morning. So far, if we added it up, we gotta be close. I guarantee you we're over 10 grand in this VIP room off profits this morning. I guarantee.
200, coach.
There's 200. Nice. So if you are still on the fence, somebody's gonna have to push you off it.
I need almost 400, coach.
How much?
409 down.
100. There you
I
go.
don't want to burn down.
Nice job. By the way, I walked them through every level, every key critical area. They got to trade with me. They got to see exactly how, when, why, what I did, when I did it, the mind behind it, what to do. The second they walked in the room, within under 1 minute, we were making money, weren't we, green team?
Yes, we were.
Within 1 minute of being in the room.
$410, coach.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice job, buddy. Proud of you, man.
Hell yeah, man. I needed that.
That's awesome. I love it.